High-quality Roma tomatoes arrive at the facility in massive quantities, specifically selected for their high solid content and vibrant red color. Quality control experts immediately inspect the arrival to ensure the tomatoes meet strict acidity and sugar level requirements before processing begins.
The system's logic is precise, using concentrated air jets to instantly reject any fruit that is green, mold.
The process begins in the flume channels, where flowing water gently transports the tomatoes while loosening surface dirt and debris. In this initial stage, the goal is to secure the best raw materials to ensure the perfect thickness and natural color of the ketchup.
Next, they enter rotary washers, where high-pressure sprays ensure a deep clean, reaching every curve of the fruit to remove all impurities. This step is critical because any remaining soil or bacteria could compromise the safety and shelf life of the entire production batch. Advanced optical sorters use high-speed cameras and sensors to scan every single tomato passing through the production line at incredible speeds.
A final manual check ensures that only the most perfect, ripe tomatoes proceed to the pre-processing stage.
The selected tomatoes enter the maceration phase, where high-speed industrial blades chop them into smaller, uniform pieces.
This pre-processing is essential to break down the fruit's structure, increasing the surface area for the upcoming thermal treatment. By reducing the tomatoes to a coarse pulp, the factory ensures that heat can be absorbed quickly and evenly in the next critical stage. In the hot break process, the tomato pulp is rapidly heated to temperatures between 90 and 100 degrees Celsius.
This intense heat is vital to deactivate natural enzymes like pectinase, which would otherwise break down the tomato's structure and thin the sauce.
By preserving the natural pectin, this transformation creates the thick, rich foundation that gives high-quality ketchup its signature body and texture.
The ketchup is subjected to extreme pressure in a homogenizer, forcing the mixture through microscopic nozzles at high speeds.
The heated pulp enters the cyclone finishers, where centrifugal force pushes the liquid through ultra-fine screens to create a smooth base. What emerges is a velvety tomato pulp, refined and ready to be blended with the secret ingredients that define the ketchup's flavor.
A secret blend of onion powder, garlic, and specialized spices is then introduced, giving the ketchup its unique and savory aromatic profile.
The refined tomato pulp is moved to massive mixing vats, where precise amounts of sugar, salt, and vinegar are added to create the base flavor. The mixture is pumped into large vacuum evaporators to reduce its water content and concentrate the flavor without burning the product.
By using a vacuum, the boiling point is lowered, allowing excess moisture to evaporate while preserving the bright red color and delicate nutrients.
This engineering step is what transforms the thin juice into a thick, concentrated paste, achieving the perfect solids to liquid ratio.
This thermal process not only perfects the flavor, but also acts as a safety step to extend the product's shelf life naturally.
The ketchup enters steam-jacketed kettles for a final cook at 90 degrees Celsius, ensuring all spices are fully infused into the blend.
During this phase, deaeration removes trapped air bubbles, which is vital for preventing oxidation and ensuring a consistent, solid pour.
To preserve the flavor and color, the ketchup is passed through high-efficiency heat exchangers to rapidly bring down the temperature. This rapid cooling from boiling levels to nearly room temperature prevents the sugar from caramelizing and keeps the texture perfectly stable. This process breaks down fibers to a uniform size, ensuring that the moisture and solids are permanently bonded together.
Expert sensory panels conduct blind taste tests to ensure the balance of sweetness, acidity, and spices matches the signature brand profile.
Only batches that pass these strict sensory benchmarks for aroma, color, and flavor are cleared for final storage and distribution.
This engineering precision prevents syneresis, ensuring that water never separates from the sauce, even after months on a store shelf.
Technicians use a Bostwick consistometer to measure viscosity, ensuring the ketchup has the perfect thickness to flow slowly and stay on the plate.
The bricks level is tested using digital refractometers to verify the exact sugar and solid content required for a consistent flavor profile.
Final safety checks are performed to verify the pH level is below 4.5, ensuring the natural acidity is strong enough to prevent spoilage.
Before filling, every bottle is subjected to high-pressure air rinsing to ensure the interior is completely sterile and free from any dust particles.
By minimizing human contact through automation, The factory eliminates the risk of contamination and maintains a sterile environment for the product. Maintaining exact ratios is critical for standardization, ensuring that every single bottle produced has the same iconic taste and balance.
Advanced robotic arms provide precision and speed that human hands cannot match, significantly increasing the factory's daily output. Microbiological testing is conducted on every batch to guarantee that the product is completely free from harmful bacteria or pathogens.
The color and texture are measured against a master standard to ensure that every bottle reflects the iconic, vibrant red look consumers expect.
Each bottle is filled with ketchup using precision-controlled machines to ensure accurate quantity and consistency. The bottles are securely sealed to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Once filled, the bottles continue along the line for the next stage of production.
High-speed automation handling systems manage the flow of thousands of units, ensuring a seamless transition from the kitchen to the bottling line.
Labels are applied with precision, giving each bottle its brand identity and product information.
Automated inspection systems ensure every bottle meets strict quality standards. Approved bottles are carefully packed into boxes, ready for storage and transport. The packed boxes are sealed and prepared for distribution.
The finished products are loaded onto delivery trucks with efficiency and care.
The batches are held for a quarantine period, allowing for a final incubation test to confirm that no spoilage occurs under standard storage conditions. From production to delivery, the journey of ketchup is completed, ready to reach consumers everywhere. Performance tests check the mouthfeel and pourability, ensuring the ketchup is thick enough to cling to food but smooth enough to squeeze.